Today I would like to demonstrate how to dismantle and reassemble this Frasaco AG3 compatible mannequin. Now this is our bestseller. We sell to a lot of countries, a lot of users from different backgrounds such as students and training facilities. Our main market is Germany, #1, and then the United Kingdom, France and Italy, Spain and Greece. Also some clients from Portugal, they requested this mannequin. Now this is a very good, one of our best mannequins in the market, and it is cheaply priced, but it is of very high grade quality material. Now this is made from stainless steel, aluminium and rubber and some plastic, not too much, just for cosmetic purposes. Now we're gonna dismantle it now, just for your benefit, so you know when you buy this mannequin, you know how to deal with it. Now first thing, we open the head top here and then hold it from the bottom from the chin, and then unscrew this black holder screw and just spin it anti-clockwise. That should come out as easily as that. Removing the mask is just hold it from here and then undress it like so, and that's the mask comes off so easily as well. Now this mask has a water drainage valve here, and there's a nozzle here where this hose goes into, and then the other end of the hose goes into your drainage collection bottle. This will come with the mannequin, by the way. Also it is supplied with 2 screwdrivers, for one to remove the teeth and one to it will fit the different screws on this mannequin, and that will also come with in the box. Now what we are left with is the magnetic articulator here of this mannequin. Just to show you how to remove the jaws. You can remove the jaws with the mask on or without it, so it will work the same way. You just push that back and down, that will come off. Now at the bottom here there are 3 magnets, 1, 2 and 3, that will hold them Frasaco compatible jaws in place. Now to put them back on, it's the same way. You start with the back slot here. It should catch onto this pin here, and then it will slot. The second hole will slot into this pin. As easy as that. And that's your jaws back in place. Bottom lower jaw is the same. You push it back and up, and that comes off. Now I just want to mention that the magnet hold is quite strong, so you will find that it is hard to take it off so easily, which is good because it will prevent the jaws from moving while you're working on them. Now let's put it back on the same way. Start from the back slot and then slots back in place so easily. Now there are 2 springs here that will allow the mannequin to close like so. It's very nice bite on this mannequin, very well balanced. And just to show you that when you open the jaws, it should catch on this pin. There's a pin here and there's a hole here. Now this should catch into the pin, the hole. This is the release mechanism at the back. Now if you press this lever, it will close the jaws like so. And then when you open it, it should catch into the lock mechanism here. Now, just to show you one more thing on this before we move on. Now, removing this jaw, now the top and bottom are the same. See these two screws here? Well, they are screw handles. But when you hold it like that and unscrew, this should comes off. This is what holds the jaws together. Like when I showed you the back screw, the back pin, sorry, on the front. And that's how they sit. Okay? Now just putting it back together, it's quite easy. Also they have guiding pins too, so it will not go wrong when you put it back. It will just go back to its normal position. If it doesn't, then you are doing something wrong here. They have to slot back into place. There you go. That's your jaws put together. Just one more thing. I'm going to put this back without the mask. To put them back, if you can see, there are two pins here. Let's make this a bit clearer. There's one pin here and another here. And if you can see here, this is the top of the articulator. There's a hole here and there's another hole here. These two holes have to go through these two pins for this to sit perfectly. And then screw back, just to show you, screw back this. First screw we open, now you have to turn clockwise to tighten. And that puts back together without the rubber mask. Now, just to show you how sturdy this is, this mannequin. This one has two locking mechanisms. One here, this one, and another one here, which is this one. Now this allows you to move the mannequin any way you want, any direction you want. Okay? This way, that way. And then the bottom lock allows you also to move it backwards like that. So it can move this way, it can move that way. So 180 degrees movement on the lower lock. Once you lock it in place, now it is very hard to move. And you can work safely on it. But with the help of two ball joints here, there's one ball joint here that allows this movement. If you can see, it's a stainless steel joint. Another ball joint is located here, which allows the head movement to any direction you would like it to. Now, this is our mannequin. I mean, we've sold so many of this, and a lot of our buyers, or most of them, they came back and bought some more for their friends, or if they were a training facility, they came and bought some more for their business. It proves that this is one of the best in the market considering the price. Now this is 100% compatible with Frasaco AG3 phantom head. Any part of the original Frasaco will fit into this mannequin. So do not worry if you do have the original article, original upper or lower jaws. It will fit into this, as long as it is an AG3 model. So that's our mannequin. Now, so let's put back the mask, which is the same way. as we took it out. You just hold it from here and then press it gently, because there are some sharp edges here that can catch the rubber and might trip it. But if you are gentle with it, you don't need to rush, and that will sit around the rim of the metal. And the same way as I showed you, these two pins has to slot into those two holes, slot into the pins, and then just tighten it back. Now that's your basically your phantom head, which we are selling in our shop, www.polydentic.com. We have put that address at the beginning of this video, and we will add it also maybe to the end of this video, including our email in case you need to contact us directly. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it has been beneficial to make up your mind whether or not to buy this mannequin. It will last you a very long time, and I just want to add that we also supply any part that you want to replace on this mannequin. So when you buy this, you have a very good after-sale customer service. Just call us, contact us, email us, and we will do our best to supply you any part of this mannequin. Have a look at our shop on eBay or on our official website. We do sell a lot of dental equipments and training equipments for students and training facilities alike. Now, this mannequin weighs 5.6 kilograms gross weight, and it will come in a box like this, which is quite small. So thank you very much for watching. Any questions, please let us know.